Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Nest Thermostat E to your phone. First, ensure your Nest Thermostat E is correctly installed and receiving power. Next, download either the Google Home app or the Nest app onto your smartphone. If you don't already have one, you'll need to create a Google account. This account will be essential for managing your thermostat and accessing its smart features, making your home more comfortable and energy efficient. Now, open the Google Home app on your phone. Tap the plus icon, usually located in the top left corner, to begin adding a new device. Select Set Up Device, then choose New Device. You'll then be prompted to scan the QR code found on your Nest Thermostat E. If scanning isn't possible, you can manually enter the unique entry key displayed on the thermostat screen, ensuring a smooth connection process. Once your thermostat is recognized, the app will guide you to connect it to your home's Wi-Fi network. Select your network from the list and carefully enter your Wi-Fi password. After connecting, you'll need to specify the location where your thermostat is installed, for example, living room or bedroom. Finally, give your thermostat a clear, unique name within the app, making it easy to identify and control among your other smart devices. With your Nest Thermostat E successfully connected, it's time to test it out. Adjust the temperature directly from your phone to confirm the connection is working perfectly. Now you can explore its smart features, such as Home/Away Assist, which saves energy when you're out, and Energy History, providing insights into your usage. Setting up a personalized schedule will further optimize your home's heating and cooling, enhancing comfort and efficiency.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.